Children! Get over here. You're shorty. We've got the Fraser girls. We got the Lippy boys. It's a pool day over at the Lippy compound.
Which means it's time for something quick and easy.
Yes, it is. You know what I'm making today?
No.
I am going to make smash burgers.
Woo!
Are you ready for a smash burger?
No.
Are you?
No.
Wait, there's gonna be jalapeno peppers on it. They're really hot.
Is that even better?
No. Hot peppers on it, then it will burn your tongue. Yeah,
Ooh, what if I put a really delicious green chili mayo on it? So are you gonna try it?
No.
Children, go away. Go, go, go.
You need something quick is the bottom line.
Today I'm making a traditional kind of Oklahoma onion burger.
But
But we're adding some
twisted-
jalapenos and a really delicious green chili mayo. You down?
I'm down.
Thank
You up?
goodness, because our kids suck.
Yeah, but let's do this really quick.
Okay.
Then let's go jump in the pool.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
The pool is waiting, so what I have here is some delicious Angus beef. We're gonna make meatballs, loosely packed meatballs. Oh wait, you know what? Before we do that, I kind of need to get to my onions first and my jalapenos. So what we've got today is in the words of Nate, a beautiful, sweet yellow onion. Dude, I've never done this with a mandolin.
Well, just cut the end off so we get a nice beautiful
This one?
edge.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yep.
There you go.
I just realized this.
Now root end up
Yep.
on a mandolin on the lowest setting. Now this is key.
Now we do have this set on the lowest setting, so it's super, super thin.
paper
Because
thin.
that is
Beautiful.
key.
Nice and even. Watch your fingers.
I'm gonna watch
And
my
down
fingers.
Here, what we're getting is thin, translucent, sweet onion that will liquefy in beef fat. CJ, come on!
I feel it in my fingers.
I feel it in my toes.
Oh, dude, look at that.
Couple of burgers.
Just a couple burgers, man.
That's beautiful.
That is translucent, delicious onion. I'm going to set that aside.
Now here's the fun twist, because I've done these in the past, and I think you got inspirated.
I totally did. We're actually going to be kind of copying your recipe.
You're welcome.
See, the thing is, you gotta work on this, Nate. You gotta wait for a thank you, and then the welcome part comes after.
Okay.
Thanks, Nate.
You're welcome.
All right, let's get down to this. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna shave some thin slices of jalapeno. Notice how I'm moving fast?
Because you're a pro?
No, because I wanna get in a swimming pool. And then we're gonna do a red one as well. And it is Florida. It's time to get in the pool.
Kind of hot in those rhinos.
Kind of hot in those. Dude, you stole it from me.
How did I steal
That
it?
was rightfully mine.
Kind of hot in these rhinos.
All right, whatever. So I'm gonna set these aside.
Okay.
Let's get back
Beef
to
balls.
my original statement. Let's get to the beef guy. It's all about the beef guy, or it's all about the beef, comma, guy. Punctuation matters, folks.
This is BBC World News. I'm Jonathan Charles, kept hidden for almost 2 decades and forced to bear children.
Okay, so we're gonna make some loosely packed. I've never actually done the ounce measurement, but we're
Me either.
we're
That
looking like
looks right.
like 6 ounce,
Like whoa, 6?
4 to 6 ounce.
Wow, that's a big, okay. I typically go more like double the size of a golf ball, like a 4 ounce.
It depends, I guess, on how
Those are
How
pretty
much you
small.
pack
I'd say
it.
those are about 4 ounces.
those are pretty decent.
One ball's bigger than the other. I was dying inside.
My wife's over in the corner laughing.
I almost couldn't do
Oh my god. All right, so we've got a nice loosely packed ball. We are headed, let's head over to the grill.
Sure, what are we on today, CJ?
We are on our 36-inch
So you got
Blackstone.
this
We've got it
plank.
set to the term you've coined, stun. Yes?
Just done.
Set to stun. I'm gonna set these down.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna grab some seasoning. I'm gonna season it. Then I'm gonna add the onions.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna smash it.
All right.
You good with that?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. So,
Ah, the microphone attacked you.
Jeez. Today we're gonna be using Whiskey Burger because this just makes sense, folks. I mean,
magical.
there's no science to it. It's just really freaking good.
I think
So,
there is some science to it.
We're gonna season this side first, and we are gonna season the other side once we flip it. But first,
Are you gonna share the how to get your smash burger to not stick to your spatula trick?
yes, I am. And the biggest way to do that is with onions, to be honest with you.
Boom.
So we're going to stack
I see
some
it.
awesome onions.
That's a decent amount of onions.
Yep. Then we're gonna smash that guy down. And looky, looky, I got hooky. Looky, looky, I got hooky. Let's get to the sauce first,
Okay.
shall we?
Sure.
Here we go. I say shall we a lot. I'm gonna stop saying that.
Better than actually.
Shut up. We're gonna add some Duke's mayo. I'm not like a huge mayo by itself fan. Not.
I'm with you on this, man.
But that's an appropriate word to use in this moment. I actually do not like mayo by itself.
By itself. But when you suspend other flavors in the mayo, now we're talking Magic Town.
Magic Town,
Whoa!
Bing green chili. You guys know me. If you know me, you should get to know me. We are going to do some delicious green chili. I'm gonna add quite a bit because I really do.
Oh yeah.
I love green chili just straight by itself. Let's grab a lime before we cut that. Let's roll it, release those juices, and get to Juicy Town.
So we're basically adding some decent acidity and savory flavor from the chilies in the lime juice. It's just elevating that already delicious Duke's mayo
Thanks.
in like 30 seconds.
Thanks for letting everybody know what I was about to say. So, essentially what we're doing, that dang fly. So we've got some yummy fresh lime juice.
Yep.
Now I'm going to season, I'm gonna
Huh? You're gonna what?
nothing. Nothing is what I was gonna say.
Touch of cilantro.
I'm going to add a little bit of just roughly chopped cilantro.
There are two types of people in the world, CJ.
I know.
There are two types of people in this world. Those who like Neil Diamond and those who don't.
Those.
Who like my
Neil
cooking
Diamond,
show and those who
don't.
hate it. So just doing a quick rough chop and gonna throw that in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add a scotch of pepper. And it's that simple, dude.
Easy peasy.
Can it just wait?
Not that simple.
No, sir. We're gonna continue the elevation game.
Elevation.
Ooh, good call. Look at that, delicious
Beauty.
orange
And
juice.
it's gonna thin it out, so we've got like a
Really
like
nice.
a creamy,
Yeah, it's gonna be real,
drizzly,
real easy to
that a word?
spread.
drizzly.
Quite drizzly.
Quite drizzly.
If you're gonna say it, then you gotta say it like that.
True.
Ooh,
Beauty. You might need a
Man.
little more sour cream there, guy.
you mean mayo?
I mean mayo.
That's
you might
exactly-
need a little more mayo there, guy.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, because it's looking a little watery.
That's a lot of juice.
That's a lot of juice. All right.
Easy peasy, just add some more mayo to get to the consistency that we want.
Yeah, because that happens. That happens sometimes. Sometimes, usually, I would say majority of the time I get it too thick, so I need to add more of the juice to loosen it up.
Hey,
But
you wanna
today,
check on this?
no,
crispy
I
meat?
already gave it a gander back there.
How was the gander?
It was looking pretty good.
Hey,
Good call, guy. There we go. I'm gonna go check on my burger while I'm at it.
oh, you beautiful thing.
Oh yeah, baby.
Cheese me, CJ.
I'm gonna
Cheese me, Seymour.
cheese me all night long.
Feed me, Seymour.
Cause when you cheese me, Seymour, I can grow up big and strong. Dude, I not only finished your quote, which was in the song, I continued with the song. American cheese, throwing it down. I'm gonna go ahead and get my buns and strip the crown. I don't know why I'm rhyming. I don't like that.
No more rhymes now, I mean it.
What kind of buns are we using there, guy?
Dude, only the best. Martin's potato rolls,
You
bruh.
know it. You know it.
Only the best, bruh.
You know it.
All right, should we go
Yeah,
ahead
man.
and?
Are you toasting those guys?
I don't think I'm gonna.
Oh.
I'm gonna let that cruise and then we're done, dude. What do you think about that?
Full time.
Hey girls, do you want a burger?
Okay.
I'm gonna pull off this bottom bun. Those are just about done. and we're gonna sauce it up, bro.
Oh, beauty.
Okay. This green chili mayo with cilantro and lime is going to be like sauce town.
Beauty.
That's gonna be a lot of fun. Bro, and then we're going to elevate that even more. What the?
Some fresh?
Fresh.
Wow. Get out.
Okay, I'll leave if you really want me to leave.
Get out.
Okay. Gonna throw that.
I'm a huge fan of spicy. I like the heat.
Dude, you
So
really,
this
it's
is my
surprising how much you like the spice.
Yeah.
I
can get down on healthy.
kind of respect that about you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go grab the burgers. Want to come with me?
I'd love to come.
Let's go. Let's go.
Shuffle.
Just shuffle. All right, here we go. First one. You gonna follow?
Uh-huh.
You're tracking.
Tracking.
You're tracking. Tractor beam. Sucked
Suck me
right
right
in.
in.
Tractor beam. Suck me right in. You stay over there.
You stay over there.
I'm coming with some skirt, bro, and some crispy onions. Do you like crispy onions like I do?
Oh, dude, that's magical.
I know. I know. It's a kind of magic.
Can you cut one in half and show me that?
Why don't I just do that for you?
Why don't you do it for me? and
Because
share it?
because I really love you, or I like you at the very least. There's a bug. Which one would you like me to cut?
Either one you want, guy.
Okay, I'm gonna cut this one because it's closest to me. Here we go. Oh, bro, that's hot. We're not eating this, FYI.
Well, maybe I am.
Okay.
Wow.
Go for it. Dude,
Look at
look
you.
at that. Do you see this cheesy sauce going on down there?
Thing.
Oh, man. Hey, Mick! You wanna come try this burger? Will you be nice? I'm recording, so you gotta be... Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna introduce you to my gorgeous bride, Mickey Frazier. Take your time, love. No, you don't need a hat. Just putting on a hat. You ain't bald. All right, you wanna try this? So today I made a traditional fried Oklahoma onion burger, but
With the addition
of a green chili mayo with fresh jalapenos.
Sounds amazing.
it's
You wanna try it?
Well-town.
You wanna try
Definitely.
it? Okay, give it a
we go.
shot. Go for it.
But you also added fresh jalapenos that are probably gonna be hot.
And you're gonna hopefully love this.
Yeah, it's really good.
Are you just saying that, or do you actually think that was tasty? You could be honest.
You can tell if I'm lying.
And she's lying.
She's totally lying. That was yum.
Very good. This might be the best burger you ever made.
Oh. Check it out.
How many burgers have you ever made?
Yeah, get in here. Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Go away.
This one.
You can take that burger.
I'm gonna take this.
Get it. Take it.
Take it.
I don't need it.
Take it.
I don't need it. I don't think I've ever seen us do this before.
Yeah.
What about a post dusting?
Toads. Whoa. Yep. That's
Oh.
hardcore. Whoa.
Yeah.
Feed you.
Nope. Mick, walk away.
Nope.
Mick, you're done on camera. Here we go.
This is a really fun twist, and I don't think too many people realize it, but that Oklahoma fried onion burger, it's the perfect canvas to really take it into creative new spaces. We kind of did one with the Betty burger, right?
Yep.
We did the, oh dude.
I'm doing a little post dusting as well.
Let me get in here for the
No more talkie. All right, guys, it's that simple, it's that delicious, it's that easy, it's that fun. Burgers, they don't have to be lame. You can just kind of literally and figuratively spice it up with a couple sauce that you elevate. I mean, mayo, just throw in some fun ingredients and you're on the way to Flavor Town, where you are the mayor. Mickey's hijacking the whiskey burger over there.
Well, she's going to town.
CJ's wife's first cooking show. You can go watch Cook, Eat, Repeat. Betty, she is slaying it with family style. Todd, let's give it a try. / the Toven Zone. I am CJ. This is CJ's first cooking show, where we cook and we quote. We also consume delicious water. You want a burger?
No.
You want to come bite it?
No.
Nope.
Full time.
Full time. Later, guys.